Well, here it is, Sunday, August 17th, 2014. We'd like to find a car show to go to. Let's look at the PDX Car Culture site. And yesterday there were no less than 14 different events all over the place, and we did go to Estacada, we did go to Damascus, we passed on quite a few other ones that were local, but ran out of time. And so here it is, Sunday. We got one car show, Sunday. One car show. And it's way up in Kalama, Washington. Well, the 18th annual car show, historic downtown Kalama. And that's where we're going to go. It's either there or nowhere. Ironic. 8, 10, 12 car show events Saturday, none in Portland, Oregon, Sunday. Man, the engine overpowers this thing.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Man, that is something else. And what we got over here, this says it's got a Dodge radiator cap emblem. Is it a Dodge? Polychromatic maroon, I'd say. Would you say that's polychromatic? Huh?
It's kind of a brownish maroon.
A brownish maroon, huh? Oh, a 24 stud flathead engine? My, how original. Interesting. A steel bodied Willys. This is really rare. This is rare. Okay, original Willys. Not a kit car. 35 Ford 4-door sedan. A yellow highboy. Now this show goes a long ways downtown. Is that what it is? 40 Pontiac, taking a wild guess. Come on, tell me what it is. 39. Okay. So what is this? About a 50? Something like that?
It says 54.
54? Yeah. Wow. Boy, that's original. Beautiful. Breeze blowing today. Yellow 56. That is a real rat rod. Boy, chopped and channeled. Olds 88 with a flashy paint scheme. Wow. There's the old tea bucket, assuming it is a tea bucket. Yeah, 23. Yep. Very nice, except for the louvers, looks pretty original. Louvers in the hood here, but it's a 34 4-door. Probably got something in the engine. See, there's something every high school kid would want to drive. Yeah, got a little bit of everything here. Look over here, right next to it. 39. That really gives you nice lines on the this 40 4-door. We've seen it before, but still nice looking. Chopped and shaved. That's a Chevy, and yeah, I don't know. That grill doesn't look right to me, but maybe it is. No, what is a mimosa?
Champagne and soda.
Yeah, there's a couple of nice Model A's here. Yeah, you rarely see two of them in close together regardless. Yeah. This is rare. This is the 1937 Chrysler Airflow. Very rare. Did that to the paint over the years. Cool, cool. You can call this a rat rod or whatever you want. I don't know. Nice coupe. Nice little 3940 coupe. Let's go see what it is. What's that? Yeah, man, clean. That's a 28, I believe. Let me see. Yes. 29. Yeah. Yeah, but I'll never forget my uncle showing up with this, with his fishing poles tied up to the top.
Is that the kind of grip they always have?
I know. I've got to see this. Jeez. Beautiful. Let's look around the corner. 48 Fleet line, and it's all ready to get the speaker from the drive-in movie. Exactly, right. When we walked in, there's one just like this. My goodness, they're like there's two identical ones. Okay, and way out, this is Doug Noble. We'll see who owns the other one.
Attached well.
Well, that's pretty. Look at here, a Datsun.
Yeah.
Tiger Lily, 1970 Datsun. Forerunner of the Z cars.
Right.
Just think of all the work. Each one's customized. Look at the steering wheel on this, like on a boat. Oh, that must be fun. That must be fun.
That must be difficult, right?
This is a show car. Nice, interesting. 37 coupe sitting here all by itself. Nice little child putting louvers on the hood. Cute. Huh?
It's kind of a gray. It's gray on gray.
Yeah, interesting. 35 sedan, we've seen that one in Portland shows. And what do we have over here? Interesting. 33 grill. It's a Plymouth. But is that a Plymouth grill? It must be. All right. Big engine. Just a pickup truck, but look at the paint. I mean, you spent $8,000 on paint on this thing. Jeez. That is a 36 Roadster. You don't see many around. See the Phantom, but not the Roadster. No windows. No roll-up windows. All original too. Stick shift, except for the instrument panel is not original. But you're looking at $1 million worth of paint jobs here. 49 Chevy, just a 49 Chevy, but man, oh man, it's been modified. That's a fast one. Yeah. It says 31 with a 32 grill. They always do that. I don't know why. But anyway, 31 Woody. Okay. I see horsepower here. That is all engine. Wow. Nice highboy. Somebody's fired up here. Really beautiful. That color changes totally with the sunlight. Unbelievable. The color changes with the way the sun's on it. Really something else.
Orange and gold combination.
Coupe of the 40s. Doesn't say what the paint is, does it? No. There's Betty Boop. 39. Sassy lady. Cool.
40.
Huh?
It says 40.
Says 40? Okay. Okay. That's the old Buick engine, straight 8. It's hard to tell what's the real color. Wow. Right next to it, the little, well, I'm gonna call it a rat rod. I don't know. Not really. Yeah. Now, would we call this a rat rod, or what would we call it? It has rats. Must be a rat rod. Has a skull. Wow. I don't know. For sale, make offer. With those pipes, that'll make fire. That's for sure. Okay. Well, it must be noon already then.
Look at the license.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Yeah. It's again 39 deluxe. No, 40 standard. Okay. Yeah. This is a 39 Chevy that the owner wants $325,000 for. So remember this one? Yeah. I'm amazed they just park it out here, put that kind of value on it. Whitley 41 sedan. Yeah. Judy says this car's from Lebanon, which is down by Salem. Oh wow. 39 Deluxe, convertible. Oh. Yeah. Says it's a girl thing.
For us to do a little bit more commercial work here.
Looks like this got a prize.
Sponsor, who is GT Collision Center. I got one
Stuck way back here. Nobody around. Nice little 35 5-window coupe. I don't know. And right over here, what these say host car. Whatever that means. But man, we've seen this one before and it is beautiful. Yep. Real nice little roadster.
I will have the count for you a little later on how many cars we have here today.
How do you know they're husband and
I
wife?
already looked at the owners. They're both from the same family.
Well,
Dick and Cheryl.
yeah, well, I'd say the paint's also
And guess who has the pickup?
the girl. That's 36 Plymouth coupe. Yeah,
It is.
beautiful. What happened to this poor truck? It's fallen off its wheels. Something's happened. Yeah, something's happened to this car. I can't see it. Oh boy. Well, it's gonna be hard to get a picture of this one. Yeah. Can you believe this? Oh man. I'd like to hear it run. Wow. 800 horsepower, I'll bet. Jeez. Yeah. Double trouble. And maybe we'll hear it later on. Deluxe, a lot of people walking around. Plymouth, semi-woody with the surfboard. Here you go, a roadster pickup. Some guys made it into a open-air truck. Cool. Have to take our shots when we can get them. That means it's a convertible, not a roadster. Nice, but right next to it, little candy girl. Okay. Yeah. Huh?
27.
Could be. Yet to see one car show without this 48 Angela. Yep. Boy, would you look at the paint on this 37? Oh man. Shop. All shaved. Customized. Very nice. Okay, that's something we don't see every day. It's a 47 Dodge, something like that. Got his grill, his barbecue grill, and then he has his tow car. 33 Pontiac, same paint scheme. Isn't that neat? Wow. 52 MGTD, and wrong again. To 53. Oh well, same old for sale. Now, finally getting toward the end of the show, but just beautiful paint, and it's a winter. Wow, I love that paint. Hope it comes out in the filming here. Looks like a little 31, 32 grill. It's a 30. Oh well. Hey, right next to that, there's my ever-loving 36 coupe. And I had several of these. That was my high school car. Just wonderful car. Brings back memories. Mine didn't look like this. So 47 or 48 convertible, nice. Keeper 46. This nice high boy. Just nothing flashy, just perfect. Beautiful. 41 Ford. 41 Ford, two-door sedan. Really a nice driver. Beautiful. Well, I've made it to the end of the street. That's how many blocks this is. So now I get to turn around and go back. There's a little home built airplane, and it's called the Viper. It's got a Volkswagen engine. That's cool. Yeah, single seater. Well, heading back up the street, so now I get to get a little different view of some of the cars. Yeah, a little look at things. Wish they'd fire up that twin engine job. I'd like to hear it. And this is that little 36 Plymouth. Another view of 36. Nice.
Well, I grew up quick and I grew up mean was physical.
Well, on my way back, and I maybe did this before, but I don't know. It's intriguing me. Chevy Impala. Looks the same as a Nomad. Yep. A little different look at this Chevy. You can see the panel in there too. Nice. Another look at this 36 Roadster. I had one once, paid $100 for it. Oh my. Wish I could go back and do it over again. And a nice rear view of this beautiful little bucket. Little Red Dragon. Man, it's got a lot of goodies there too. Wow. Interesting. Spectacular shot of this fleet line from the rear. Yeah. Nice little high boy. I'd like to drive that. Spectacular rear view of this 3940 sedan. And there's that yellow 56 two-door with the red rims. Alright. Different perspective of this boat. Beautiful. Well, finally reached the end of the street. Yeah, it's got to be a half mile, 3/4 of a mile long. And time to hang it up and boogie on out of here. Thanks for the nice breeze. Not that bad out in the sun. Hey, we're back home, ready to put this beast in the garage. And we racked up a little over 80 miles up to Kalama and back. Not bad, all I-5 both ways. So we'll call it a wrap.